You clicked on this video for a reason, to watch Gen V Season 2 for free without risking your account or wasting time. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the legit ways people are watching it at no extra cost, how to stack them, and what to avoid. Gen V Season 2 streams exclusively on Prime Video, so the real wins come from getting Prime access without paying full price. First play. Use a Prime free trial if you're eligible. Amazon still offers a 30-day trial in many regions. Sign up, watch the episodes you want, then cancel before the bill. That's the fastest legit free route. Second play. Student and young adult deals. If you're 18 to 24 or a college student, Prime Student, chart Prime for young adults, gives extended trial periods or discounted rates that practically make Prime free for months. Sign up with your school email or age verification. Third play. Carrier and ISP bundles. Some phone plans and prepaid carriers include Prime access on qualifying plans. Activate Prime through your carrier portal and log into Prime Video on your iPhone, smart TV, or browser to watch Gen V. Check T-Mobile, Metro, and similar plan perks for current offers. Fourth play. Household sharing. Careful. Amazon Family/Household can share Prime Video with people on the same primary address. If someone in your household already has Prime, get added properly so you can stream without a separate subscription. Note, Amazon recently tightened non-household sharing rules, so only share with household members. Quick rules. Don't pirate or click free stream sites. They're illegal and can infect your device. Use trials, student plans, carrier bundles, or household sharing so you stay safe and legal. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.